How to fix LinkedIn account restricted for no reason. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply upload the identity documents. What you're going to do is simply fill out all of the on-screen prompts in order to submit a government ID via your persona or clear verification partners that you'll actually be able to get on your screen if your account has been restricted for absolutely no reason, right? So after doing that, now another thing that you can actually do is simply revoke the third-party automation tool. So what you're going to do is simply uninstall all of the browser extension if you are using any browser. So currently you can see I'm using application. So like I said, if you're using a browser, what you should do is simply disable all of the browser extensions that you've been using. And if you're on your phone, make sure to not use any sort of a VPN, right? So after doing that here, now last thing that you can actually do is simply contact the LinkedIn help, submit a report case via LinkedIn help, or you can simply mail them in and read LinkedIn help on X, and then from there you can actually be able to get your LinkedIn account restricted for no reason being fixed. So yeah, that's it.